Betty bought a bit of butter, but she found the butter bitter. So Betty bought a bit of better butter to make the bitter butter. Shoot. La 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 la. Fee 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 fo 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 fo. Hey everybody, Francois from Homeport on Church Street in Burlington, here to tell you a little about. Hey everybody, Francois from Homeport in Burlington here to talk to you a little bit about some new bakeware that we just got in. This is from Nordic Ware. They do lots of different kinds of bakeware. This is one that we just brought in recently. It's a PFOA free nonstick pan. All of their pans are made in America, and they are aluminum. And what that means is that they heat really evenly. All their pans have a steel ring inside where that curl is, to prevent warping. And the aluminum just gives it like a really even heat distribution so that your baked goods are kind of coming along nice and evenly all throughout the bake. They do a bunch of different sizes of this sheet pan here. We carry a lot of those. They also do regular cake pans. We have an 8 and a 9 inch. We have the 9-inch square pan and this bread pan here. And I really like this bread pan. I haven't used this nonstick one, but I've used the non-coated one. Just put a little butter in there, and I made the best banana bread I've ever made in one of these pans. So really love this product. It's brand new. And we're really excited about it. So thanks for listening.